Hey y'all, I'm gonna try to get through this sick and all. So this was my inspiration piece that I saw at a store here in Texas. And I took 6 wooden tags. I got these from Amazon. And I painted them with white chalk paint, gave them 2 good coats. And then on my Cricut design space, I created the word believe and put them on the tags. After I got the decals on the tags, I realized, oops, I only did 5 tags. I mean 6, I need 1 more, so did that. Then I put Mod Podge over it to seal those letters down. I got this plaque, wooden, whatever it is, at Hobby Lobby during the spring sale for 90% off. It was $29.99. I got it for like $6. And I painted it white, forgetting that it's really supposed to be red. So, taking crimson Waverly chalk paint, I gave it 2 or 3 good coats until I was satisfied with it. Next, I took no, I did not. Next, I painted beads. I painted 6 red in the crimson, 6 green, which is the fern, and 28 white beads. And I did 2 coats each on all of them. Y'all, a skewer just works so good when you're painting beads. I just find it's just so much easier. So now I'm gonna line them up to string them on twine. So there I go, stringing them on twine. And the pattern's real, I mean, you could do whatever with the pattern, you know. Then taking my drill, I drilled 2 holes in the top corners and attached with hot glue and painter's tape the beads. Then I took the tags and put twine through the tops so I could attach it every 5 beads. So you do a tag every 5 beads. Then I was looking at it to see, well, is the placement right? So no, I didn't like it. So I adjusted some of them until I liked it. After I finally got it to where I liked it, I put the hanger on the back. And you could always even do a beaded hanger. Then I decided I don't want it white, I want it burnt umber. So I painted it burnt umber, and there's the final product. And y'all, I like it a lot. I hope y'all do too. Have a great day.